Good morning, teacher and classmates. I'm going to talk about Venice. This city is located in the northeast of Italy, in the Veneto region, province of Venice, in Europe. This city is famous for being the city of canals, and the typical food is risotto. It's a kind of Italian dish with rice as the principal ingredient. The currency in Venice is the euro, and I chose this city because it seems to me very attractive city in tourist way, and besides being nominated as one of the most romantic cities next to Paris, and also I would like to travel there in the future. Um, In this city, you can walk in the Piazza San Marco. It's the icon of Venice. It's a 3-in-1. There you can admire the Basilica San Marco, and the Campanile, and the Palazzo Ducale. Also, the you can climb the Scala Contarine del Bovolo. It's a beautiful spiral staircase and iconic monument in Venice. Also, you can see the Assumption by Titian and her mausoleum in the central Santa Maria Gloriosa dei Frati. You can take a gondola ride in the marvelous canals of Venice, and you can cross the beautiful wooden bridge of the Academy. And you can take the pictures of the Grand Canal. But you can't travel with suitcase because the amount of stairs and bridge that there are will surprise you, and it's more comfortable to travel with a backpack. And also, more important, you can have a picnic in Piazza San Marco because to enjoy a special meal, but if you get can't be Italian Polish, but um, they can find you. If you want, you can go the Yardenity. Really, it's a park. It's very close to San Marco, and enjoy your picnic in peace. Well, I hope you like to know about this place. Thank you very much for your attention.